what was the time frame? Was it just a few sessions of Tai Chi, or was it like 6 weeks you started seeing this, or was it pretty immediate?
It took a while, but I really didn't keep track of it because
Right.
the full impact of what he had been doing and what I was doing did not sink into me
And why not?
because of my EMT training. I had been,
Oh, I didn't. Wow. Can you talk a bit more about that? Well, not, just briefly how how your training and your insights into Taoist Chinese medicine and how that maybe affected your insights into this.
um, when you go through something like EMT training,
Right.
you're very much geared toward Western medicine.
Right.
So my first thought, as I said, with my hip was I'm going to have it replaced at some point. It
Right.
never occurred to me that something could be done for it.
Mm. Yeah, that's really interesting because I hear that quite often, is that people don't realize there's other options besides surgery and pills.
That's
And
correct.
yeah, and so did this pretty much kind of shine a light onto how you saw healthcare and taking care of your body?
No,
Mm.
it was a couple months later that I started Qigong.
Right.
I had walked by the classroom for that after the Tai Chi lesson was over. And I would watch what was going on. So, they're sitting and chatting sometimes. Sometimes they're moving around.